So with number 10, you realize now there is an xy. Let's create an example like it and then we'll talk about it. So here we have 12xy. Let us say you have 24xy. So I'm going to put 24xy there. 24xy plus 15y squared. Okay, well, let us see 30y squared. Now we have to factorize because this is factorized. So therefore, our final answer must have brackets. Must have brackets for the final answer. Once you factorize, must have brackets in the final answer. Now, the highest common factor between 24 and 30, you think. Can be 1 is the lowest. Can be 2, 3. 3 is, but it's not the lowest. 4, no. 5, no. What about 6? 6. Knowledge of numbers. Now, x is not common, so you cannot put it out there. Cannot come out there because it is not common. But y is common. You have a y and you have a y squared. So which is the lowest y? Y. So be very careful. Yes, you have an x, but it is not common. So you cannot put it out. These commons that coming outside there. Because you have to divide by whatever you put outside there. Both of them, so it have to be like a common denominator. Have to be common. X is not common, so it cannot be part of the coefficient outside of the bracket. 6y is common, and it becomes a common denominator. So you can get 6y in here, and you can get 6y in here. Now we can clearly divide now. Remember, you have to divide so you can find out what comes into the bracket. You are reversing the process of expansion. Do we have to subtract powers? Yes, because this is y to the 1, and this is y to the 1. This is y to the 2, and this is y to the 1. We have to subtract powers because we are dividing by letters. Once you divide in letters, you have to subtract their powers. When you multiply in letters, you add their powers. When you divide in letters, you subtract their powers, or you subtract the exponents. So we're going to have the 6y outside of the bracket. (24) divided by 6 is 4. 1 minus 1 is 0. So the y cancels out. So we are left with 4x. Now, if you multiply 6y by 4x, will we get 24xy? Yes. So yes, 6 4s are 24. Y by x is xy, so that's 24xy. Now, 30 divided by 6 is 5. So you're going to have a 5 from 30 divided by 6 is 5. And 2 minus 1 is 1. So you're going to have a y to the 1, or y. And when you multiply, will you get back 30y squared? 6 5s are 30. Y by y is y squared. So this is the factorization of 24xy. 30y squared is actually 6y outside of 4x plus 5. Factorization, you divide and you subtract exponents.